Example 2, find the area of the shaded portion of this figure. Dimensions are in meters. Now, when we talk about area, area is the space inside a figure. All right, so looking at this rectangle, this 10 by 15 rectangle, the space inside that rectangle, in other words, all this here, is the area of the rectangle. And what you want to imagine here is that somebody took a pair of scissors and they cut out this nice circle and this nice little triangle here out of this fabric, this rectangular fabric here. And we're trying to find out how much space is left in the gray area. So all you have to do to find the area of a shaded portion is you find the area of the entire figure using whatever area formula is necessary. Find the area of every unshaded portion and subtract the unshaded from the entire. So looking at the rectangle first, the dimensions of the rectangle are 15 and 10. Anybody tell me the area formula for a rectangle? Let's go with Maddie.
Length times width.
Length times width. So length of 15, width of 10. Area of the rectangle is going to be 15 times 10, which is 150 square meters. Okay. For me personally, I like to use subscripted variables here to represent things. There's different figures. I have a rectangle, a circle, and a triangle. So A sub r represents the area of the rectangle. Take a look at the circle. Let's go with Braden. What's the area formula for a circle?
Radius squared times pi.
Perfect. Radius squared times pi. So we look at the area of the circle. It's going to be the radius squared, which is 16, times pi, which is 3.14. We punch that into a calculator, hit equals, we get 50.24. I've had that one a few times before, so I remember the answer. I'd like to think I was multiplying that fast in my head, but I've done it before. All right, notice that rather than writing 4 squared times pi, I just wrote what 4 squared is and what pi approximately is. Okay, so just saving myself a little bit of space on my paper. Okay, let's go with Emily. Do you remember the area formula for a triangle?
Base times height divided by 2.
Perfect. Base times height divided by 2. So the dimensions of importance to us in a triangle are the base of the triangle, the perpendicular height, which we can see those are perpendicular to one another. And we're supposed to divide that by 2. So the area of the triangle is going to be 5 times 6 divided by 2. That's 30 over 2, which is 15 meters squared. So step 1 of a shaded area problem is find every single area in the picture. Find the entire big picture's area and every little tiny shape that's not shaded in, find its area. Then we do the entire, which is 150 meters squared, and we subtract all the cutout portions from that. So 150 minus a total of 65.24. Okay. I could have done minus 50.24 minus 15. I went ahead and combined these together as one full area, which is a legal way to do it also. Just make sure it's the entire area, the entire rectangle, minus everything that isn't shaded. And that comes out to 100 and, no, not 100, 84.76?
Yeah, that's all right.
And then again, the unit is going to be meters squared because area is always going to be in square units.